an exponent that's a fraction? What to do, what to do? Well, if only there was a way to clear off a fraction. There is. So if I take something like a to the third power and I raise it to another power, say the, I don't know, fourth, you multiply the exponents. So that becomes a to the 12th. And you're like, well, how does that help us? Well, be a little clever here. I'm going to multiply this whole thing times something that's going to clear off that fraction. When you want to clear a fraction, this goes way back to early grades. Like when you want to clear a fraction, you multiply by the denominator. So since I know I'm going to multiply those two, I'm going to use the number 2. I also have to square the 7. So what do we get? We get 6x plus 1 will be raised to the first power. So it's just 6x plus 1. And then 7 raised to the second power, 7 squared, is 49. Whoa. So all of a sudden, something that looked kind of intimidating all of a sudden got real easy. Now we subtract 1 from both sides, and we're going to have 6x equals 48. Divide both sides by 6, and we get x equal to 8. Boom! We are finished. Yay!